A very good morning to all of you. This is 7th video from the same unit, number system. In the last video I was discussing about rationalization, that is rationalization of the denominators. In this I am going to discuss here existence of a square root of a positive real number, which is very important. And here in this, for any positive real number x, we can write its relation as x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square whole root under, on simplification we get root under 4x by 4, which is shown here, which gives us root x. So this identity we are just using to make you clear that how can be obtained root x. Therefore, to find the positive square root of a positive real number, we may follow the following algorithm. So what is an algorithm? Algorithm is a well-defined set of steps to perform an activity. So in order to find root x, here we will also follow certain specified steps, which is given as follows. In one, obtain the positive real number x. Let it be as x. Then draw a line and mark a point on it and let that point as A. Mark a point B on the line such that AB is equal to x unit. X is variable here. It can be anything while solving the problem. Next step, from point B, mark a distance of 1 unit and mark the new point as C. In step 5, find the midpoint of AC and mark that point as O. And how can we obtain the midpoint? By constructing the perpendicular bisector of AC. Step 6, draw a circle with center O and radius OC is equal to OA. So here we will draw only the semicircle, not the complete circle. And the last step will be draw a line perpendicular to AC passing through B. That is, at B we will have to draw a perpendicular and intersecting the semicircle at D. Length BD is equal to root x. This will be more clear when you will observe the given figure here, figure 1.8. Observe this figure and follow the steps which I have mentioned to construct this. Here in this, we have AB is equal to x unit, BC is equal to 1 unit. So AC will be equal to x plus 1 unit. And since O is the midpoint of AC, so we have OA is equal to OC is equal to x plus 1 by 2 units. So now let's justify this construction. Since OA is equal to OC is equal to OD here, so we will have OD is equal to x plus 1 by 2 units. OB is equal to AB minus OA. Just follow the diagram, which we have x minus x plus 1 by 2. On simplification, it is x minus 1 by 2. Now using Pythagoras theorem in triangle OBD, we obtain OD square is equal to OB square plus BD square. That is, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So this implies BD square is equal to OD square minus OB square. And therefore we have, using its values, BD square is equal to x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square. Once it is simplified using the identity x plus 1 whole square, that is a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, we get root under 4x by 4, which further gives us root x. So this shows that root x exists for all real numbers x greater than 0. Now let us try to understand this taking one example. That is, I will consider one problem to solve, and here in this problem represent root under 9.3 on the number line. It is an exercise problem of NCERT. In order to represent root under 9.3 on the number line, we follow the given steps which is mentioned in the algorithm. So according to that, draw a line and mark a point A on it. Mark a point B on the line drawn in step 1 such that AB is equal to 9.3 unit. Let us consider this here as 9.3 centimeter. Moving ahead, mark a point C on AB produced such that BC is equal to 1 unit. Next step, find the midpoint of AC and let the midpoint be O. How can we obtain the midpoint? By constructing the perpendicular bisector of AC. Taking O as center and OC is equal to OA as radius, draw a semicircle as it is drawn here. Also draw a line passing through B perpendicular to OB. Suppose it cuts the semicircle at D. Now taking B as center and BD as radius, draw an arc cutting OC produced at E, which is shown here. So point E obtained here represents root under 9.3. Here it is very important to note that point B will be considered as the origin, that is the position of 0. C will give us the 1 unit, that is B will be 0, C will be 1. So the length BE will be equal to root under 9.3 units. To make this concept more clear, let us consider one more problem. And here in this, find the value of root under 4.3 geometrically. Again follow the same steps. I will guide you for that. Draw a line segment AB equal to 4.3 units. Let it be 4.3 centimeter here. Extend it to point C such that BC is equal to 1 unit, that is 1 centimeter. Next step, find the midpoint of O of AC, that is midpoint of AC we have to find. With O as center and OA as radius, draw a semicircle as it is shown here. Now draw BD perpendicular to AC, intersecting the semicircle at D. Then BD length is equal to root under 4.3 units. With B as a center and BD as a radius, draw an arc meeting AC produced at E as it is shown here. Then BE is equal to BD and that is equal to root under 4.3 units. It means the length B to E, that will give us root under 4.3 units. Problems are given based on the similar concept, so you please try to solve that. Thank you for today.